Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, James David Vance, do solemnly swear.
I, James David Vance, do solemnly swear.
And domestic.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
That I will bear true faith.
That I will bear true faith.
And allegiance to the same.
And allegiance to the same.
For many years, a radical and corrupt establishment has extracted power and wealth from our citizens while the pillars of our society lay broken and seemingly in complete disrepair. We now have a government that cannot manage even a simple crisis at home, while at the same time stumbling into a continuing catalog of catastrophic events abroad. They're raging through the houses and communities, even affecting some of the wealthiest and most powerful individuals in our country, some of whom are sitting here right now. They don't have a home any longer. That's interesting. But we can't let this happen. Everyone is unable to do anything about it. That's going to change. We have a public health system that does not deliver in times of disaster, yet more money is spent on it than any country anywhere in the world.
If you know the words, help me out here. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies.
Today we will end the Green New Deal and we will revoke the electric vehicle mandate, saving our auto industry and keeping my sacred pledge to our great American auto workers. To plant the stars and stripes on the planet Mars.
It was Senator John Fetterman who arrived at the Capitol in shorts. It's the most surprising cold weather inauguration look since 2020 when Bernie Sanders wore those mittens and nothing else. Melania Trump made a real statement with her look. That statement, I am Carmen Sandiego. That's the first reaction. That's the first reaction, obviously, but it's not entirely fair. She also looks like the guy from Spy vs. Spy. And I know what some of you were saying. This is the first lady we're talking about. Shouldn't you say she looks like J. Robert Oppenheimer? The president finally entered the rotunda. He immediately tried to kiss his wife and, oops, denied by the hat. Now we know why the brim is so big. Then Trump was sworn in by Chief Justice Roberts. One problem, Trump did not place his hand on the Bible for the oath of office. Now, when the ceremony was going to be outside, he was going to put his hand on the Bible, but when they moved it inside, the fire marshal wouldn't allow it. This is the thing, if he doesn't touch the Bible, is he really president? I mean, who did touch the Bible? Melania. Is she president now? Fires in California.
They're raging through the houses and communities, even affecting some of the wealthiest and most powerful individuals in our country, some of whom are sitting here right now. They don't have a home any longer. That's
high school together.
It wouldn't be a Trump event without an awkward Melania moment. Donald Trump has been sworn in as America's president for the second time, but it was his wife Melania who had people talking. The incoming First Lady wore a custom silk wool Adam Lopez coat and skirt, and a matching wide-brimmed hat that covered up most of her face. It was a dark contrast to the 2017 inauguration, where she wore this iconic powder blue Ralph Lauren dress. So why such a big change? The hat wasn't just a style choice, it also served a practical purpose, as you can see here. Yep, Trump went to kiss his wife and fell several inches short of her face, leaving the pair to air kiss instead, and leaving viewers wondering whether this was the real reason behind Melania's fashion choices this time around. But hey, if anyone can bring back the wide-brimmed hat, it's Melania Trump.